All right, practice CISSP exam question 4. When considering the data owner for an application or the data itself, who would be the best owner of the data? Again, understand what they're asking for. Considering the data owner of the application or the data itself, so you have two different pieces, who would be the best owner of the data? You have a CIO, which is your Chief Information Officer. You have a CTO, which is your Chief Technology Officer. You have your business owner or IP owner, or you have your IT organization as a whole. Now, so if you're considering the data or the application, well, the application could be the CTO or the CIO, but the data itself may be somebody very different. And we'll talk about this at CISSPcybertraining.com. I have this video specifically around this where you really need to get the business owner or the IP owner, the individual who owns the intellectual property, to be able to be the one that can give you the best control of the data. And they should be the individual that owns the data. One common problem that happens within organizations is they will set up the technology people or the IT individuals as the owner of the data. This is not a good practice. It's a bad idea because IT doesn't really own any of the data in most cases. They serve up the data. And what ends up happening as well is when things go sideways, which invariably they do at some point, not having an IT owner or specifically a data owner defined can cause problems and can give you a situation where when issues go bad, they start pointing fingers saying, well, IT had it. And then the IT folks go, well, it's not I don't own the data. So there's a back and forth. So it's best right away at the beginning, when you are setting up any sort of data classification, you need to set up who is the best owner of that specific data. And in this question, the best owner would be the business owner or IP owner. Again, that is question C.